Hello friends, welcome to E2C with Education to Career. So in this video, I will be covering the most important current affair questions part 26 for CMAT examination. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. According to a report by Cisco, India is expected to have over 907 million internet users by which year? So the correct answer option C, which is 2023. The Cisco report added that there will be 67.2 million total 5G connections in India by 2023. India will hand over 907 million internet users by 2023, accounting for 64% of the country's population. Over half a million people already use the internet in India. Question number 2. International Mother Language Day is observed every year on dash. So the correct answer is the option D, which is 21st February. International Mother Language Day is a worldwide annual observation held on 21st February to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity. Question number 3. Which football club has become the first Indian club to play in the AFC Champions League? So the correct answer is option B, which is FC Goa. FC Goa became the first team from the country to qualify for the group stage of the AFC Champions League, the continent top tier club competition, after beating Jamshedpur FC 5-0 in an Indian Super League match. Question number 4. Who was named the EY Entrepreneur of the Year 2019? So the correct answer is option A, which is Kiran Majumdar Saw. Miss Kiran Majumdar Saw, Chairperson and Managing Director, Biocon, was named the EY Entrepreneur of the Year 2019 and will now represent India at the EY World Entrepreneur of the Year Award in Monte Carlo from 4th to 6th June 2020. Question number 5. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of a smartphone brand iQOO? So the correct answer is option D, which is Virat Kohli. Chinese smartphone brand iQOO announced the appointment of Indian cricket team captain Virat Kohli as its new brand ambassador. iQOO is a sub-brand of Vivo in China, which has entered India as a separate entity and is ready to launch a 5G smartphone on 25th February 2020. Question number 6. Which town has become the first zero waste town of Assam? So the correct answer is D, which is Tittabur. Tittabur town in Assam under Jorat district has vowed layers to the state by becoming Assam's first zero waste town by revolutionizing management of solid waste. Question number 7. Government has given its approval for the formation of how many farmer producer organization over the next 5 years? So the correct answer is D, which is 10,000. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has given its approval for 10,000 FPOs to be formed in 5 years period from 2019 to 2020 to 23-24 to ensure economic of scale for farmers. Support of each FPO be continued for 5 years from its year of inception. Question number 8. Which stadium has become India's first green rated cricket stadium? So the correct answer is option C, which is Gujarat. Gujarat Motera Stadium become India's first green rated cricket stadium. Question number 9. Who is the author of the book Who is Bharat Mata? So the correct answer is A, which is Purushottam Agarwal. It is a timely volume which will also stand the test of time. Who is Bharat Mata on history, culture and the idea of India, writing by N. Jawaharlal Nehru, edited by Purushottam Agarwal. Question number 10. Who has been appointed as advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? So the correct answer is D, which is retired IAS officer Bhaskar Kulbe and Amarjit Sinha have been appointed as advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has approved the appointment in the Prime Minister's office in the rank of the scale of Secretary. Question number 11. Which country has become India's top trading partner according to the Commerce Ministry data. So the correct answer is option C, which is United States. The US remained India's top trading partner for the second consecutive fiscal in 2019-20, which shows increasing economic ties between the two countries. According to the data of the Commerce Ministry, in 2019-20, the bilateral trade between the US and India stood $88.75 billion as against $87.96 billion in 2018-19. Question number 12. Which country has become the first Gulf country to have nuclear power plant? So the correct answer is A, which is UAE. The United Arab Emirates said it had successfully opened a nuclear power plant, becoming the first Arab country to produce nuclear energy. The 22.4 billion Barak plant on the Gulf Coast west of Abu Dhabi is being developed by consortium led by the Korea Electric Power Corporation. Question number 13. Who has been awarded the WBR Golden Era of Bollywood honor by the World Book of Records in London? So the correct answer is option B, which is Manoj Kumar. Padma Shri Manoj Kumar, legendary thespian of India, has been facilitated by World Book of Record London with WBR Golden Era of Bollywood honor for being a legendary actor and for his unparalleled contribution to Indian cinema through highlighting portraying social cultural feelings in Hindi cinemas. Question number 14. Which country will host the Commonwealth Shooting and Archery Championship in January 2022? Sorry. So the correct answer option A, which is India. CGF President Martin said, I am delighted that we have approved India's ambitious proposal to host a Commonwealth Archery and Shooting Championship in Chandigarh during 2022. Question number 15. Riek Machar has become the first vice president of which country? So the correct answer is B, which is South Sudan. UUBA, former rebel leader Riek Machar was sworn in as South Sudan's first vice president as a part of unity government with his former advisory president Salva Kiir, a tentative step towards a peace after years of civil war revenge the oil-rich yet improvised nation. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.